Yeah, thank you so much for asking that question. And it's a very good question that we get asked a lot because business owners are like, I've got so much to do. I have my bank statements. My bank statements should be sufficient to demonstrate the financial recording that's happening in my book, in my company. So the short answer is bank statements will not suffice, right? The first one, I'll give you an example if you are registered for VAT. So bank statements just tell you about money coming in and money coming out. If you want to claim your VAT that you paid on, let's say you were buying equipment. The equipment is worth however much and there's 15% on it. Whoever you bought from has probably charged you VAT. So in your bank statement, what's coming out is the total amount coming out. But if you want to claim the VAT that was charged, SARS will ask for the supplier's invoice. And it's not sufficient to just send any supplier's invoice. It must meet certain criteria for you to qualify for the refund you're trying to get on spending your money buying that equipment. It must have the tax, it must say tax invoice or invoice. It must reflect their VAT number. It must reflect your VAT number. It must reflect the address and then the typical things, description, amount, quantity, etc. If it does not meet those criteria, SARS would disallow the VAT that you had paid and should have been able to claim. So it's not sufficient just to show your bank statements. You have to have the supporting documents. And you have to keep those supporting documents for a minimum of
5 years.
5 years. SARS can choose to go back and reopen a VAT return that you had filed 3 years ago and say we want the supporting documents. If you don't have it, SARS will disallow the VAT that they had allowed because you do not produce the documents. Okay? Just add one thing. It's not just SMEs that I brought along with me, I've also got corporates. I would love to give a huge shout out to Mazda and Ford that transported Ndzumo Consulting to electromining and to be with you guys. So thank you Tsulu, thank you Mark. They are from Ford and Mazda. If you'd like to chat with them, please do it. Thank you so much.